Standard 7, lesson number 27, Government in the States. Government in the States. We discussed in the previous class about the Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, Governor, Chief Minister, then Vidhan Sabha, Presiding Officer, Vidhan Parishad, and the qualification for the membership of the two houses also. In this lesson, we discussed about the how are laws made and the bills, and we reach on the page number 207. 207, how are laws made. The proposal to make law is the presented in the form of bill in the legislature. Bill introduced in the legislature are discussed, debated and voted upon. There are two kinds of bills, ordinary bills and money bills. The proposal to make law present in the form of the legislature. Bills introduced in the legislature, first of all discussed it. Debate it means the argue about and the voted upon. And the voted upon. And the voted upon. There are two kinds of bills, ordinary bills and the money bills. There are two kinds of bills, ordinary bills and the money bills. Now we learn about the ordinary bills. Debated, what suggested is argue about. Any topic they first of all discussed, argue about and then voted upon it. Then voted upon it. This ways the laws made. This ways the laws made. Ordinary bill. An ordinary bill can be introduced in the either the upper or lower house of the state legislative assembly. When a bill tabled, it is discussed and debated upon. Then it is put to vote. First of all, debated upon means argued about upon, and then put a vote if it is passed. Passed in the Vidhan Sabha by the majority. It is sent to the Vidhan Parishad for the debate and the vote. Then it is sent, first of all, it is passed in Vidhan Sabha and then sent into the Vidhan Parishad for debate and the vote. The Vidhan Parishad cannot keep the bill for the more than 6 months. Underline this, the Vidhan Parishad cannot keep the bill for more than 6 months. If either of the houses reject the bill and the suggestion made, it results a deadlock. If the bill do not pass in the Vidhan Parishad and Vidhan Sabha, then the result is a deadlock. Then result is called the deadlock. In such a situation, a joint session is called by the governor and bill is put to vote. Then if there is a suggestion and argued about it, then it is the result of the deadlock. In this situation, a joint session is called by the governor and the bill is put to the vote. Being a numerical stronger, the Vidhan Sabha holds an advantage. Once a bill has been passed, it is sent to the governor for his or her signature. It is also underlined, please do the underline. Once a bill has been passed, it is sent to the governor for his or her signature. His or her signature. It is about the ordinary bills. It is about ordinary bills. Now we will move on to the money bills. The topic that today we discussed. How are laws made? Ordinary bills. And the money bills. You can see the picture of Punjab Vidhan Sabha in session. Punjab Vidhan Sabha's picture. Now we discuss about the money bill. A money bill can be introduced only in the Vidhan Sabha. It is only a work part of the Vidhan Sabha. After the bill is passed by the Vidhan Sabha, it is sent to the Vidhan Parishad, then sent to the Vidhan Parishad, where it can kept for not more than 14 days. You have to memorize this. In Vidhan Parishad, where it can be kept for not more than 14 days. The Vidhan Parishad can only make recommendations. The bill is always passed in the form of which the Vidhan Sabha passed it. Only a recommendation is can do by the Vidhan Parishad. The bill is always passed in the form which is Vidhan Sabha passed it. The state budget is form of money bill. The state budget is a form of the money bill. It outlines the income and expenditure of the state and the allocation of the resources of the different departments. The budget is also tabled in the Vidhan Sabha. Budget, money, about the money, it is a matter of money, so budget is also tabled in the Vidhan Sabha. The state budget is a form of the money bill, outlines the income and the expenditure, means the expenses of the state and allocation of the resources to the different department, and budget is also tabled in the Vidhan Sabha. Budget is also tabled in the Vidhan Sabha. So children, in this chapter we discussed about the state government, federal system in India, state government, executive at the state level, and about the governor, chief minister, council minister, then state legislature. In legislature, Vidhan Sabha, presiding officer, Vidhan Parishad, qualification for the members for the two house are law, maids, ordinary bill and the money bill. Summary: in India, the government works at the three levels: national, state and local. The governor is a nominal head of the executive, while the chief minister is a real head of the executive. Most states in India have a unicameral legislature. Only 7 states have a bicameral legislature. The main function of Vidhan Sabha is to make law, and Vidhan Sabha passes two kind of the bills: ordinary bills and the money bills. Ordinary bills and the money bills. Let us move on to the exercise. Please first of all note down these three topics: how are laws made, ordinary bills and the money bills. Let us move on to the exercise. First of all, I read the glossary. Nominal, being a name, not in a reality. Nominal means being in a name, not in reality. Dignitary, a person who has an important official position. Deadlock, a complete failure to reach an agreement or settle an argument. Allocation, an amount of money that is given for a particular purpose. Now, move on to the exercise. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. There are blanks level of the government in India. There are 3 levels of government in India. The nominal head of the executive at the state level is the nominal is governor. The presiding officer of Vidhan Sabha is called the speaker. Another name of the upper house of the state legislature is the Vidhan Parishad. A blank bill can be introduced only in the lower house. A money bill can be introduced in the lower house. Money bill can be introduced only in the lower house. Please children note down this. Second exercise. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. The real head of the executive at the state level is second. Chief Minister, Prime Minister, Chief Minister, Governor or Speaker. It's the real head is the Chief Minister. Which of the following state has a bicameral legislature? Tripura, Kerala, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh. Karnataka. The total number of members of Vidhan Sabha cannot exceed 545, 500, 520, 530. It's 500. The minimum number of the member required for the session of the Vidhan Sabha is blanks of the total compositions. 1/10, 1/4, 1/5, 3/4. 1/10. The minimum age of the person to be elected as a MLA is a 25. Is a 25. The real head of the executive at the state level is Chief Minister. Which of the following state is bicameral legislative? It's Karnataka. The total number of the members of the Vidhan Sabha cannot exceed 500 members. The minimum number of the member required for the session of Vidhan Sabha is the 1/10 of the total compositions. The minimum age of the person to be elected MLA is the 25. Now we move on to the question 3. Match the column, match the rows. First is governor. It's the nominal head. Governor is the nominal head. Then the chief minister, head of the state government. Head of the state government. Vidhan Sabha, it's called a lower house. Vidhan Sabha is called a lower house. Speaker, presiding officer. Speaker is a presiding officer. And the budget, money bill. And the budget, money bill. Please children note down both the exercise in your notebook. Now write true or false and correct the false statement in your notebook. First of all, make true or false and then make a correct statement if the sentence is false. First is the governor is the nominal head of the executive. It's a true. B is the speaker is the leader of the majority party who invites to form of the government. Not the answer, it is a false. The chief minister is the leader. False. Chief minister is the leader of the majority party. Party who is invited to form a government. The government. Form the government. Second sentence is false. The chief minister is the leader of the majority party who is invited to form the government. Who is invited to form the government. Please children note down both of this. Third one, we reach out to C. Number third. The Vidhan Sabha meets once a year. No, it is also false. Vidhan Sabha meets at least twice a year. So it is a false. True statement is the Vidhan Sabha meets at least twice a year. Then D. To be a member of the state legislative assembly, state legislative assembly, a person must be a citizen of India. It's true. Person must be a citizen of India. It's true. Then E. A money bill can be introduced in the Vidhan Parishad. No, it is wrong. It is false. A money bill can we introduce in the Vidhan Sabha? A money bill can be introduced in the Vidhan Sabha. Third, C. Fourth, the Vidhan Sabha means at least twice a year. Fourth, D. True. Fifth, E. False. A money bill can be introduced in the Vidhan Sabha. In the Vidhan Sabha. Please children note down this. Now children, it is homework time. Homework. Right. Summary and glossary of lesson 27. Write the summary and the glossary of the lesson 27. It is your homework. Now children, it is a bye bye time. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day. Thank you.